All right, it's Vincent and Robert with Premium Plumbing. What we have here is we have our rigid sea snake with a fiber optic camera. This is the head of the camera here, and what it will allow us to do, it's on a 200-foot roll here, is it will allow us to see what is beyond this toilet. We suspect that there is a problem in the slab, in the concrete below here, somewhere between here and going out to the outside of the house. So we're going to put the camera in the line and use our locating features to find out exactly what the line looks like on the inside, and the nature of the line and the nature of the problem that's causing a recurring obstruction and blockage. All right, so first of all, we're going to relay our tarp here so we can neatly work with our equipment without getting the floor dirty. And what you want to do is, go ahead. Robert's evacuating the water from the toilet, make our job a little bit easier and a little bit neater, for us. Then what we'll do is we'll pull the toilet up and insert our camera in the line to see exactly what's going on.